I wanted to show a different kind of bench that I made. I'm cutting grass, and as every one of you can guess, these benches you have to use a trimmer, because no matter how hard you try with the tractor, you cannot get the shit from underneath the bench. I have created a different kind of bench. I call this a bench for very good friends, or a bench for big bosom ladies. You're way too lazy to keep trimming all of these benches that get used once per year. So I'll show you how you can cut the grass on this one. I never have to trim around this bench. So maybe create benches with one leg, then you can just hit it and it will move around. You absolutely cannot do the same with these benches over there. Well, I hope this helps someone.